In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Brevo email template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an email campaign in Brevo, choose a template, make your edits, and send it out confidently. First, open the Brevo app in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the marketing section. From there, go to your campaigns area and click Create Campaign. When Brevo asks for the campaign type, choose email so we can build a standard email campaign. Give your campaign a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you create multiple versions. You can also choose tags to keep your work organized by theme, season, or department. When that's set, click Create Campaign to move into the campaign setup. Next, add your recipients. Click Add recipients, choose the list you want to send to, and then save. Make sure you pick the audience that matches the content you plan to send, as that will help with engagement and deliverability. Now it's time to add your subject details. Click Add Subject, type your subject line, and then enter Preview Text. The preview text is the short line that shows next to the subject in many inboxes, so use it to expand on your subject and entice opens. When you're happy with both, click Save. Let's design the email. Click Start Designing to open the template options. You'll see sections like Save Templates, Basic Templates, and Ready to Use. For a quick start, choose Ready to Use, then filter by category to narrow the options to a style that fits your message. When you find one you like, click Use Template. You'll land in the editor where you can make your changes. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, update images and logos, adjust colors to match your brand, and personalize content where appropriate. The drag and drop layout makes it easy to add or remove sections. Keep your design scannable. Include clear calls to action and double-check links and alt text for accessibility. When you're done, click Save and Quit to return to the campaign summary. To send your campaign, click Schedule. You can choose Send Now if you want it to go out immediately, or Schedule for later to pick a specific date and time based on your audience's time zone and behavior. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Send Now to dispatch the campaign right away. That's it. You've created a Brevo email template, customized it, and sent your campaign. If you want to reuse this design in the future, you can save it as a template next time to speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.